Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an iPhone 13 Pro Max that is in need of a new display, a new battery, and a new outer camera glass. So let's get started. So to start off the repair, we're going to remove the display. We have already removed the screws on both sides of the lightning port. The iPhone 13 Pro still has the lightning port, and we're going to start removing the display by prying it off the device. So this one is quite tough, but not so tough that I actually think that this device has been opened before. So what you can see there is a pretty bad bleeding on the display. So it's been dropped rather badly. You can see there's a huge crack across the display. You can also see the battery is quite suspicious. It's not, I think, the original battery for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And we're going to remove this display. So it's gonna be quite a long repair. It's more of a restoration for this device, and David has some stocks for the battery, the display, and the outer camera glass. We're gonna start off by testing our replacement display. This is a brand new part. We're gonna attach it to the main board, reattach the battery, and we'll turn this on, see if this replacement unit is good. And it looks to be good. While we wait for it to boot up, we're going to remove some parts from the old display because we're going to transfer that to the new one. We can't really show you how we unlock the device because we are protecting our customer's identity. They have a wallpaper in there. So we're just going to show you clips of when we don't show that wallpaper. We're gonna open it. The display is good, touchscreen is good, and we're gonna continue with our repair by removing this plastic cover, and then we're gonna attach this part and screw that in. Very small screws. So next up, we're gonna remove the battery. This is a brand new one. It's crazy. The battery is crazy because it's named crazy. It's high quality battery, so you can be guaranteed that with whatever battery you have here from Sydney CBD Repair Center is quality and will last a long time and it's safe to use. We have removed the battery. It's not quite the same as the original iPhone battery, but it's now off. We're going to install this one. It's an easy swap, nothing to remove aside from the battery itself. Now we have attached our crazy battery and we're going to install the display. So we're going to test them both for the first time, see if they're all working, especially with the charger. So while the iPhone 13 Pro Max is booting up, we're going to perform some testing on the phone first, and it seems to be all good. The battery is detected, no issues with charging, so we're going to install the display for good now. We're going to put back all the brackets, we screw them back in, and we're going to perform more testing. Just make sure that it's all good. Next thing on the agenda is the outer camera glass. Before we proceed, we have to close up this device now. We're going to clean off the sides of the frame. It's quite easy to clean up. We're going to use this Q-tip. David is very meticulous in these repairs, so all the grime and dust will be shaken out. You can see there may be debris inside there, and we're gonna blow it out just to make sure there's no issues when we close up the device. Now the device is closed up, display looks pretty amazing, to be honest. I like this restoration videos David is doing, and we're gonna install tempered glass over the new display just so we can have added protection. And there you go, there's some debris underneath the tempered glass, so David will just sort it out, and we'll be proceeding to the next item on the list. The outer camera glass is also broken. Once this smartphone was dropped, the back cover is also damaged. So if you're asking if we are not gonna replace this back cover, the back cover is quite expensive to replace. You have to use a laser machine to cut off the adhesive underneath the glass, and we recommend that you just get a brand new housing with the glass back cover so that you don't have to use that laser machine. It's more cost effective, and it will actually give your iPhone 13 Pro Max a brand new look because you're replacing the frame and the back cover. So we have removed the broken camera glass. That was quite tedious, and now we don't see any cracks on the photos. Now we have to attach it. It's quite meticulous, to be honest. We're gonna put the adhesive, very thin strip circle of adhesive, and we're gonna remove the top cover and install the new glass. So if you have any more questions about this restoration, feel free to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe. If you have any iPhone repair needs, if you're near Sydney, you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Center and look for David. He's the one doing this repair right now. And I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something, and we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.